Welcome back, everyone. It's a pleasure to have you here on my channel once again. Today, I have a special treat for you as I unveil my top 5 picks for the absolute best portable generators available online. Portable generators have revolutionized the way we access power, providing a reliable source of electricity in various situations. Whether you're camping in the great outdoors, hosting outdoor events, or facing unexpected power outages, portable generators offer the convenience and peace of mind of having electricity on demand. These incredible products have undergone thorough research and testing, guaranteeing that only the best choices are included in this highly esteemed list. I included all product links in the description box. Without further ado, let's dive right into the highly anticipated top 5 lists. Number 1. Westinghouse Outdoor 12,500 Watt Dual Fuel Portable Generator. The Westinghouse 12,500 peak watt dual fuel generator is designed to provide an impressive power output, ensuring that all your essential appliances and devices stay operational during power outages. With a peak wattage of 12,500, this generator can handle the demands of large appliances such as refrigerators, air conditioners, and sump pumps, as well as multiple electronic devices simultaneously. One standout feature of this generator is its dual fuel capability, allowing you to choose between gas and propane as fuel sources. This versatility ensures you can access fuel options that are readily available, and in the event of a fuel shortage, you have an alternative to keep your generator running smoothly. Switching between gas and propane is simple, making it a convenient choice for homeowners. Energy efficiency is a crucial factor to consider when choosing a generator. Number 2. Duramax Dual Fuel Portable Generator. The Duramax Dual Fuel Portable Generator packs a punch with its 10,000 watt power rating. With this impressive output, it can easily handle high-demand appliances and equipment such as refrigerators, air conditioners, power tools, and more. Whether you need backup power for your home or a reliable energy source for your RV, this generator has the capacity to meet your needs. One of the standout features of the Duramax is its dual fuel capability. This means you can choose between gas and propane as fuel sources, providing flexibility and convenience. In situations where gasoline might be scarce, propane offers a reliable alternative, ensuring an uninterrupted power supply. Gone are the days of struggling with manual pull-start mechanisms. These features an electric start, allowing users to power up the generator effortlessly with just a push of a button. This convenient feature eliminates the hassle of tugging on a recoil cord, making the generator easy to start, even during critical moments. Number 3. Generac 300 Watt Gas-Powered Portable Inverter Generator. The Generac is built to provide a robust power supply wherever you need it. With its 3,300 watt power rating, this generator can handle a wide range of appliances and devices, including sensitive electronics. Whether you're camping in the wilderness or facing a power outage at home, it ensures you have ample power to meet your needs. This is designed with fuel efficiency in mind. Its advanced engine technology. Number 4. Champion 2500 Watt Dual Fuel Portable Inverter Generator. This dual fuel portable inverter generator delivers impressive power in a compact package. With a power output of 2500 watts, this generator can handle a wide range of applications, from powering essential appliances during power outages to providing electricity for outdoor recreational activities. You can rely on the Champion 200,961 to keep your devices running smoothly, no matter where you are. Portability is a key consideration for any portable generator, and the Champion 200,961 excels in this aspect. Weighing just under 39 pounds, this generator is ultralight, making it easy to transport and maneuver. The compact design further enhances its portability, allowing you to take it on camping trips, tailgating events, or any situation where power is required on the go. Number 5. Generac 17,500 Watt Gas-Powered Portable Generator. The Generac portable generator is a true workhorse, boasting an incredible power capacity of 17,500 watts. With this level of power, it can effortlessly handle even the most energy-demanding equipment and appliances. From power tools to large household appliances, this generator has the capacity to keep your essentials running smoothly during power outages or in remote locations where electricity is not readily available. Safety is a paramount consideration when dealing with power equipment, and Generac prioritizes user safety. It is equipped with several safety features to protect both the generator and the connected appliances. While it may not be the lightest portable generator on the market, the inclusion of these features ensures that you can move it with relative ease, making it suitable for various applications and locations. Thank you for watching my video. If you found it helpful, be sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so you never miss any of my daily videos. If you're looking for more information or want to know the price of a particular product, check out the description box below. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. Remember, life is short, so why not make it easier with cool products?